How to add music to Instagram notes. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can add music to Instagram notes. If you want to level up your notes game and make them more fun and expressive, you are in the right place. Now, without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open your Instagram app and make sure that you are logged in with your account. Once you have opened it, simply tap on the chat icon on the top right corner. Once you are in the chat section, simply tap on your note. Now look for the music icon below the text box. Simply tap it and you will see the list of trending songs, or you can even search on the search bar to find your favorite track. After finding your favorite track, you can simply select the song you want, and you can even choose the part of a song that you want to highlight. Once you have added your music, hit share button to post your note, and your followers will be able to see it at the top of their DMs. And that's how you can add music to your Instagram notes. I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.